Guys, this is Shelly from Tmart.com, and today I'm going to do the review of Motorbike strap desk speaker with remote control. Yeah, and first, here we go. And first we have to open it. Let's check what do we get inside. Yeah, here we go. We have got one remote, and this thing is like audio cables. Yeah, this is audio cable, and this is the construction, and this is the speaker. Yeah, you can check the box is empty. Around this one first, it's blue one, and for the color we also got red, orange, pink, white, or black, and the yellow, and this one is blue one. And let's have a look first. As you can see, here I have one USB and the headphone. Also here is SD card. This one can read SD card, and also is FM radio supporter. For the music form is MP3. Yeah, and it supports the car U-Disc TF card. So it's really cool one. And turn around, we can see here I have switch power button and volume button and preview or next one button. Oh, it's over here. It's really cool one. Yeah, can you hear that sound? And this is the USB. Let's put the USB, check how it works. As you can see here, I have USB port, so we just put USB on. Yeah, and here's the remote control. Let's check the volume. The sound is quite pretty, it's nice. For the quality, I think it's also good, because the sound, yeah, as you can hear, the sound is good. This is lovely sound. And turn low and low and low. Turn low and low and low. Yeah, and here, and this is the FM radios, and you also can use this one for your SM radios. It's really cool. And this is the next one. If you don't want to hear this one, you can just press the next one. Right? Or you listen to the USB music. And if you don't want to listen this song, you can change, use your remote control, just next one. And let's check the volume again. I'm going crazy, talking too, 'cause I don't know what I should do. Seems like my heart can't figure out exactly what it's all about. Take me to hell and paradise. And if you don't want to listen, you can also next song. And here, one LED light is really cool one. When you at night, you can just put on your bedroom, I mean. And you just use your remote control, and you can listen whatever you want music, and you can share the music with your friend as well. This one was really awesome and cool one. How do you want to have listen the music from your phone? And it's very easy. You just use audio cable and connect your phone and the speaker. As you can see, it's like this. And use just, yeah, here we go. It's really easy to do like this. just stop first. And this is today all what I'm reviewing about. If you like this, and please leave your some comment below. And have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.